Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to send any files from iPhone to iPhone. We don't need any separate apps to share files from iPhone to iPhone. We can share files with the default settings of our iPhone. We will first go to the control center of our iPhone to share the files. After going to the control center, we can see the network option here, flight mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. In this option, we will press and hold our finger. Then we will see below the airdrop options. If we turn it on, we will see three options. Now we will select everyone options. Now that the work is done, we will go to the control center of the other phone on which we want to share the files and turn on the airdrop option. Now we will select the picture or video or any files that we want to share. Then click on the share icon. Now we will click on the airdrop option. Now we can see the name of the other phone we will share the file in the devices option. Then click on the option. This file will be transferred quickly upon clicking. This way, we can easily share files from one phone to another. This was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe Apple Info channel. Thanks for watching.